Welcome back to Dogpatch. So this is the final product. It goes out on Monday to Sweden first, and the guy in Sweden promised me to send it to the next guy as soon as he is finished. So I tried this lock and it works. It works with the key, and I already picked it. It's a little tricky for me because I'm not that good yet, but it's definitely doable. So let's see what we got. It might take me a little while. See, I got a little rotation from, I believe it's 2. Got a little counter rotation. And this one. Okay. Turn a little more. It's a funny thing with the security pins I put in. The core turns a little and little and little, and I know when I'm almost done, the core will be like this, and it's strange how it changed only by modifying the pins in it. And I mean, you saw me do it, probably watch 1 or 2 of the videos I posted before this one, and yeah, so you're gonna get there. It might take a while. Okay, let's go back. Let's go to the back again and find the pins. There, I got a little rotation here, a little more there. Now you see the core is almost, it's like almost open, but it's not. And that's one of my pins still blocking. One of the modified pins, of course. I really want to do it next, the second challenge lock, very soon. Maybe when this video comes out and the challenge guy in Sweden requested my videos. Maybe I have already done another one, because I got 1 or 2 more bodies of these Urhebers, and they're perfect for this kind of stuff. Alright, come on. We almost there, you can see it. Oh, probably I lost some tension there. And I will not gut it at the end, because you know how it looks. We just assembled it in the other videos, and I don't want to screw anything up before I send it on Monday. Today is like Friday night. Almost midnight. Okay, we took about 3 minutes now. My finger hurting a little because I was training on some other locks, and of course this lock also. Come on, where is it? There's one more effing pin. Damn it. There's one more pin. I cannot find it right now. I've been stuck at this point before, and then just I hit, I believe it was one in the back. Yeah, it was the last pin, of course. And you see, PF1 is pickable. I could remove the core and everything in it, but now you just have to trust me that it's still the same pin that I put in. Okay, so this will be the 4th video of the challenge lock making, and yes, on Monday morning, or let's say Monday evening, this log will go out to Sweden, and I hope it will be picked, but it will be a little struggle. If not, I don't feel bad, but still, it's a lot of fun to make these logs. Alright guys, see you next time. Bye bye.